is a Tradiani production.
She wanna ride, get notarized, we too high for the low. She wanna feel some motor real, she hopped in and got thrown. I realize I'm where she wanna be, doing nothing special, all she wanna do is lay with me. Roll up my weed, 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 roll up my weed. Woke up with a pretty face with some red eyes, rolling up one, no clothes on, TV on, fit to smoke to heaven, then up one golly. Knowing damn well I can't function high as I be, Gotta stay ready cause all she want is my D. She say you the realest, no babe, you the new definition. While I'm rubbing all over that ass like I want her to grant me some wishes. Like a genie or something. I just wanna fuck, roll up and keep my distance. That's it. Oops, didn't mean to make you feel pretentious. Damn. Got a bitch so bad, nigga feel like he came up. One of them motherfuckers that'll accidentally put your life in danger. Damn, keep that bitch away. Down for no reason, baby, roll that thing up. Roll that wig up. Oh yeah, bring her. She wanna ride, get notarized, we too high for the low. She wanna feel some motor real, she hopped in and got thrown. I realize I'm where she wanna be, doing nothing special, all she wanna do is lay with me. And roll up my weed, 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 roll up my weed.
Keeping my game on point, I keep it razor sharp. Keep me the real since day when I did that from the start. A loyal bitch, she say that's what a nigga need. She roll my weed, we blow these trees, plus she ain't the plea. Yeah, I'm fucking with the blood daughter. She give me roadside assistance when we placing outers. Huh. Plus her style and her swag right. Chewy jeans with the stacks in it and her pants tight. Looking through these Ray-Ban visions, we in the same division. Get these monies, count these stacks, and enjoy our riches. And plus my bitch be liking bitches, and she don't give a fuck as long as she gets the heat.
She wanna ride, get notarized, we too high for the low. She wanna feel some motor real, she hot.